Hello, this video is on how to do approvals and review in the curriculum management system. Please note there may be a new interface or edits or revisions to content or fields on some pages in which a new video may not be created. A new video will be made if any edits or revisions substantially change the functionality of each page. Before we begin, I wanted to share an email that the curriculum management system will automatically send you when you have reviews or approvals to complete in the system. You'll receive something with a similar subject line, and it'll guide you on what proposals are ready for your review and action in the system. When you're ready to complete your reviews, click Login, enter your Chafee email and your password, then click Sign In. Once you see the global dashboard, click Approvals. I'm an administrator of the system, so I see all approvals, but your list would be more focused. One way to focus that even more is to toggle to My Approvals. You can also go to Position if you have more than one position and filter through that. Once you've applied your filters, click Search. A list of all proposals pending your review will appear. So let's say I want to review this course deactivation of CIS1. I would click on it. And here's where I can actually take my action of my approvals. But before we do that, I'm going to click on View Course Proposal because that will be one of the ways that I view the proposal itself. Another way to view the proposal itself is to go to Reports, and then you can click on Course Deactivation Report, or if it's a course modification or a new course or a program, there will be various reports for you to select from. For course modifications or new courses, I recommend selecting the course outline. For program modifications or new programs, there will be a report called Program Summary. So there's just various reports to help you with your review. The ones I suggested are a little bit more streamlined and I think give you the information that you are looking for. In this case, because I'm reviewing a deactivation, I'm going to click the Course Deactivation Report. And this tutorial is just to model how to use the existing reports in the system. Again, it'll differ from course modifications to programs and so on, but there are reports to help you focus your review. And here I can use this report and understand why the faculty have launched a deactivation to this course. And in this particular case, they've launched a deactivation because they're actually replacing it with a brand new course. Once I've completed the review, I can exit out of that tab and it'll take me back to that approval page that we saw when we first came on. And then I can select my action, which is Approve. In this case, it's approved, but for you, it might be review, it might be request for discussion. Each user or each position will have different actions, but whatever action is appropriate for your position, go ahead and click that. Comments are optional, and once you're ready, you can then go ahead and click on Commit. While different proposals will require different reviews, the key thing to remember on doing approvals in the system is to go to the Approvals button, find your approvals list, and work through the approval list that way, and to always then select an action item that is appropriate to your position and leave any comments which are optional, and then to click on Submit. And that's how you complete an approval in the curriculum management system.